Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so these are the four waves. Now, first we look at the amplitude. Let me use green color for amplitude. Okay, so first amplitude. So to find out amplitude, the amplitude is the maximum displacement from the mean position. So for the wave A, this is the distance amplitude, and for B, this is the amplitude. Similarly, for C, this is the amplitude. For D, this is the amplitude. Okay. Now, the distance depends upon your size of book or this picture. Now, if you measure this in every sizes, you will find that the amplitude is the largest for D and the smallest for A. Okay. And C and B are in between. So in order of largest to least, greatest most to least, so D has the maximum amplitude. Then uh, B has the maximum amplitude. Then out of C and A, then A has a bigger amplitude than C, and C has the least distance of amplitude. Okay, so we are done with the order from greatest to least. Now what we want to put in order is frequency. So I will use wavelength, sorry. So let me use red for wavelength. So to find out wavelength, I need to measure the length from uh, this point here to this exact sharp point here. Okay, so this is the wavelength for A. For B, this is the wavelength. For C, this is the wavelength. Now for D, what I need to do is either this, so this completes one wave, right? So what I can do is just measure this much and just do 2 times of this, right, to find out the whole wavelength. So the largest wavelength is that for D, obviously. Then that is for A, then for B, then C, right? So this is the order. Now, number C, let's look at frequency. Now for frequency, we don't need to even measure because we know that C velocity is equal to lambda into f. So frequency is equal to c by lambda. So this implies that since c is constant here, frequency is inversely proportional to only lambda, right? So which has the greatest, so we just reverse this lambda here, order of lambda or the wavelength. So the answer would be C, B, A, D. All right. Now let's move on to part D, and that is period. So for period, that is the reciprocal of frequency. So again, we reverse the frequency. So that will be again D, A, B, C. All right. So we have ranked in the order from most to least for amplitude, wavelength, frequency, and period.